Hello everyone. In this following video, we're gonna show you that how you can apply a freeze pane on your Excel worksheet. So let's start here. For example, that looks like if we just assume that we have a lot of data in our Excel workbook, like you can see on mine. This is just a sample workbook, and we have some headings over here. But let's say that when we scroll down, it will get down to the data, we will lose the headings, okay? There are many scenarios where we want to just see the headings, irrespective of if you scroll down your rows or your column. So let's say if you navigate here, and if you wanted to see the first column, we cannot see it. The similar way that if you scroll down, you lose your headings. In such scenarios, freeze pane is the best option that you can apply on your Excel worksheet. It's very easy. I'll show you how you can do that. If you go to the view section here, in this group you will see there is an option of freeze pane, and if you just click on it you will see there are three options available: freeze first column, freeze top row, or freeze pane, and that depends where you make your selection on it. Let's say that I want to just freeze a top row, which is my headings, row 1. So if I just click on it, it will freeze my headings on it. So if you can see here the liners, now if I scroll down, it really doesn't matter how long I can scroll, and headings will stay intact on the top. Similar way, if you would like to just freeze your first column like column A, you should go here and click on freeze first column, and it will freeze the column. But if you notice that the moment we will freeze the column, your headings, the first freeze that you made for rows is gone. In such situation, what you can do, let me just unfreeze the panes first. Let's say I want to just freeze column A, and I want to freeze the first row as well. So if I scroll down or if I move to the right, doesn't matter, both column and row are should be frozen. In such cases, I will select a cell where I want to apply a freeze pane, like I selected B2 here, and then you should go to the freeze pane and use this option which says freeze panes, keep rows and columns visible while the rest of the worksheet scrolls. If I click on it, it will apply a freeze on this cell which is B2, and now if I scroll down you will see here the headings intact. Now if I just move to the right side, you will see the first column stays there. The similar way, you can apply this freeze pin anywhere on your worksheet. Like if you would like to do it here, you can use the similar option from here and apply it, and anywhere else. So I'm sure that till now you should know that how you can apply this Excel feature of freeze pin. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.